Clinical research overview of Power Gummies, hair and nail vitamin. Power Gummies is multivitamins with biotin to enhance hair and nail growth, boost metabolism. Combination of more than 10 essential vitamins to promote healthy hair. The Power Gummies is well-developed product backed up by scientific evidences. With Emprex Healthcare Private Limited as their clinical research partner, Emprex Healthcare an independent leading CRO in Asia. Emprex Healthcare gives a scientific support by performing a clinical trial. Clinical trials can substantiate the product claims and ascertain consumer about the quality and effectiveness of the product. Let's understand the process of clinical trial of the Power Gummies hair and nail vitamin.
I was facing a lot of hair problems. There was a severe hair fall and thinning. That's why I have decided to go to the nearby dermatologist. Dr. Umesh Gazre told me about the Power Gummies and about his trial. Power Gummies is a natural formula which are enriched in a biotin, and the special thing about this product is it comes in a tasty chewable gums.
This clinical trial is parallel arm study for safety and efficacy of Power Gummies of hair nail growth. In this study, there are total 60 subjects. They are divided into 4 groups. Each group contains 15 subjects, and they are divided as per gender and age. And those subjects having scalp diseases or chemotherapy, they are excluded in this study, and those subjects having any hair related problem are enrolled in study.
It is approved by Ethical Committee and is registered on Clinical Trial Registry of India. The trial is also registered on WHO International Registry portal. Trial begins after signing of informed consent document by participant. Trial begins with a 60-second hair comb test. The subject is asked to comb his or her hair for 1 minute. And at the end of 1 minute, the hair fallen are counted manually. The difference between counts of fallen hair is compared per month. Participants' hair is washed in clinic for conducting modified hair wash test, and the number of hair fallen on basin gouge are counted and compared month to month. Last but not least, phototrichogram test is done to measure the hair density, diameter, hair loss pattern and growth in male and female. Along with the hair, nail growth and nail health is also checked after every month in 3-month study. The doctor make a mark on patient's nail on first visit. The mark is checked every month to note the improvement. Nail health is also assessed through a questionnaire. Hair and scalp health is assessed through various assessment questionnaires. Hair graying scale is also employed to check any reversal on hair graying. The improvement is noted by the doctor and CRA. Patient has to visit once a month for checkup and for the supplement.
Being a part of this trial was really a great experience. Doctor and CRC was really cooperative and very knowledgeable about the product. I can see the difference in my hair. There is an improvement in my hair structure. After using the Power Gummies, I can feel that my hairs are strong and there is a less hair fall as compared to previous days. My nail quality is also improving and my nails are growing faster.
There is a 100% patient compliance for the product. I can visibly see the difference in the subject's hair and nail growth.
Power Gummies, a safe and effective alternative to take care of your hair, nail and scalp.